Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jala ubah kami yak tanat jengok kai perthai utumuti di Shira hakash potrik na itung arja pun rio ula kersha ne Jingtyrwa jong Sarkar Jala banbu yak Felicitation and Tourist Registration Center ha Umling taka papan pau bakan nong kum gajing petngor ka jingwanrung jong kibri ki panabar ka Jala Shamikalia utumuti lapan pau yakani harian baka kasi Students Union kala persya bencenai ke food court ho Umling bat dawai ke sarkar bukan bu uswa hakamat ya ka Felicitation Center ulong baka jingbu ya ka Tourism Registration Center ho Umling kanya Syrïem kum ke airline permit
yeah, it will be a tourist registration center because it's in the name of tourists as many people may be coming to do something, so in order to check their intention whether they are coming as a tourist with whole intention or they are coming in the guise of tourists, say, to do some harm. That is necessary for us. Because you will have to examine their paper, whether it actually is genuine residents of India or from other countries having a proper document or not. It's like almost like a ILP, no? In a land permit. When we go to Nagaland, they say everybody has to go through this inner line permit system. There's actually whatever the court prohibition, I think Meghalaya government has replied. These are the mechanism government is going to adopt. So having a place for registration, checking those tourists coming into Meghalaya. So even in government also we have constructed a house building at Birubari. That also will be done like that. We have some restaurant there, and at the same time we have some registration officer out there to check the proper the tourists whether they are coming in with proper document or not. Government doesn't have a proper mechanism to check the illegal influx. Now there is infiltration check, and what more checking is required? So now you see. Infiltration check at plus this checking at least checkpoint, and what more is a system is very core. I don't know what is their opinion because I don't know what is their intention and how they are saying like this. It's up to them to say so. I have no any comment on that. Umling at that I will not make a comment because if I make a comment, it will develop into a controversy. So I don't have any comment on that. Our plan is to make it a facility center plus this registrations of the tourists, and we have in our plan we have provided at least 2 rooms for doing this official work. So registering the tourists, and at a time we say our registration, some time will be taken. So in that time you see whatever they have to spend waiting for the registration, they can enjoy at the same time. So we are providing the facilities for this like a restaurant. That's all only. In fact, you see at the official level there was a talk. DC has called them, the case member, they request them not to disturb the work. But what is their decision, that I don't know.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in. Bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe. through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.